The big question is, how can we remove all of the hyperlinks in a Word document at once? Not just one. We can right-click on the hyperlink and remove it. But if we have a lot in a document, that's a pain. So the key, all you have to do, hit CTRL A, or you could just select everything like this, and then hold down CTRL Shift and press F9. And they're gone, just like that. So one more time, highlight everything, CTRL Shift, and press F9, and your hyperlinks are gone. If that doesn't work, here's another way you can do this. You could highlight everything and copy it. So actually, let's cut it out, and then let's paste it. And we're going to do this one on the end, keep text only. If you do that, it blows out all the formatting, but those hyperlinks are gone. So again, you could hit CTRL A, highlight everything, CTRL X, that cuts it out, and then when we right-click and paste, that takes out all the formatting. And that's helpful not just for hyperlinks, but for other problems with formatting as well. I use that quite often. Word will often just make it into a hyperlink automatically. You can hit CTRL Z, undo. That'll get rid of it, or there's probably a way to go in and turn that off in the autocorrect automatically section of Word. But really the key here, if you want to get rid of those hyperlinks, CTRL Shift F9, that'll get rid of all the hyperlinks in your Word document. I hope this helped, and thanks for watching.